J. What the fuck you say, hey motherfuckers, I'm coming in your hood. People talking about being misunderstood. Step into the mean wrong, now you going down in the underground, but the people don't clown. Clown over here, clown over there. People telling me got their hands in the air, waving white flags, and I don't see that shit. People's over here trying to call me a bitch. Bitch, who's a bitch? Who's that bitch? I'm talking about your ass a snitch. Stitches. What's over here trying to get my bitches? Oh yes, I go in the ground. Still over here, I still get down. Getting buff over here right now, doing push-ups every day till I get down. Can't get up, can't get round, can't go over here to the damn town. Coronavirus trying to stop me now, but I'm not gonna stop it going down. I say you, I be who. I'm over here saying I will do everything and I'm gonna go smooth. People talking about what you gonna do. I step right, I step left. I'm coming over here till you get deaf. My hair bounce, my hair ride. Got my pick over here, so what's side? I'll go left, I'll go right. People talking about this band tight, going tight over here when you doing fights. People's over here fight with your own might. Do you strong man or you weak man? Do you wanna be the one in the damn stand? Do you wanna be the one making all the dough? Do you wanna be the one at the fucking flow? Nah man, what? I'm over here, just cut up, still getting crunk, still getting down. Motherfuckers over here, oh yes now. Hey. Get it?